Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. In today's video we are going to cover the solution of exercise number 1 of skill communication and soft skills, which is related to the batch 8, and it has been conducted under the platform DigiSkills 2.0. The total marks of this exercise is 10 and its due date is 1st August 2024. So here I want you to please read all these instructions and what kind of learning outcomes you will get from doing this exercise. You must read before attempting to solve this exercise. So let's move to the problem statement. Identify the correct meaning of the given verbs and use them to fill in the blanks in task 1. So answer the question in one line with true and does in the task 2. It means this exercise consists of two tasks, task 1 and task 2. In task 1 you have given some verbs and you are going to be requested to fill the blanks with that proper verbs. In the task 2 you have to be given the answer just in one line by using do and does. So here is the task 1. Its total marks are 5. Filling the blanks. Given below is a dialogue between a client and a freelancer. So you have to complete blanks by using the verbs want, have, give and take appropriately. In the dialogue, the client and graphic designer discuss a project. Alex is the client and Aisha is a freelancer, expert in the field of graphic design. So here is the dialogue. Alex 1. I dash means blank to hire a graphic designer for my project of logo design. So we have 4 words: want, have, give and take. We have to choose the one which is best suitable for this blank. So in my opinion, the best verb that is best suited to this blank is our sentence is want. So I am going to be put here want. Now move to the second sentence of the dialogue, which is delivered by the Aisha, which is who is a graphic designer. I blank the skills and experience you need. Kindly provide me with all the essential details. In this sentence, Aisha is informing the client Alex about his skill. So which word will be here? The word is, in my opinion, is have. So I am going to be place here the word have. Now move to the next dialogue. Alex, I blank a logo that suits digitally and is purposeful for the recognition of the brand. Can you blank on this project? Again I am going to put here have. I have a logo that shows digitally and is purposeful for the recognition of the brand. Can you take? Can you take on this project? Now come to the next sentence of this dialogue between Alex and Aisha. Yes, I can. When do you need it completed? Alex, I need the final logo in 20 days from 2 days. From 2 days means today is included in that 20 days. So can you blank me an estimate? Can you give me? In my opinion, the suitable word is here give me. Now the next sentence of this dialogue is I will send you a detailed code by tomorrow. I will also send you some samples from my previous work so that you can check my working style. And that's great. I'll review them and send you my suggestions. Now we are going to move to the second task of this exercise. Here you are The question to give the answer in one line using do and does. Answer the question given below using do and does. Do you not like pizza? So the answer should be in form of do. If you are going to give answer in no, yes, if yes, then yes, I don't know, I don't. If you are giving answer in no, I do. It means I like pizza. In case of first answer yes, it means I have agreed with the statement that I don't like pizza. Now move to the second option. Let me write here to get a space. Do we need to schedule a conference call for next week? So in case of yes, the answer is yes, we do. In case of no, the answer is we don't. Now move to the third. Does he speak Dutch? In case of yes, she does. She does. It means she speaks Dutch. And if in case of no, she doesn't. It means no means she has no ability to speak Dutch. Now move to the does the office provide training for new employees? Yes, office does. In case of no, office doesn't. It means office does not provide training for new employees. The last one is here. Does he not prioritize tasks effectively? It is little bit tricky. If you give answer yes, it means you agree with the statement he doesn't. Look at this. Yes, doesn't. It means he does not prioritize tasks effectively. If you give answer no, it means you are not agree with this statement. It means he prioritizes tasks effectively. He does. So I hope you will get the answer. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And very important note is here: please don't copy it as it is. Use your own mind to solve this exercise. So thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.